Anthrax, yeah, it's your boy, it's your homie, it's your... Finish that, man. Finish that, man. Now look, I got a classic for y'all today, man. As y'all saw the title, man, we got Anthrax, I think that's how you say it, and Public Enemy. Now, I know absolutely nothing about Anthrax. And this title, Bring the Noise. Now, I was looking at the comments under my reaction, and people were saying this song right here was on more video games than any other song. Bruh. I know I had to hear this, bro. It's something about that title that I know about, bro. And it's Public Enemy. I know a whole lot about Public Enemy, Chuck D, Flavor Flav. I already know Flavor Flav in this one smiling. That's kind of what I'm here for. But what made me want to do this reaction right here, because I went back to my Aerosmith and Run DMC reaction, and I saw a lot of people like when the two genres collided. And this was another suggestion about metal and hip hop and rap colliding. So we gotta check this out. This for the culture right here, man. Y'all gotta understand these type of songs change music right here. This right here put music and collaborations on a different level, bro. When these two different genres start colliding, man, it's amazing to see, bro, and I'm here for it. But we finna check this out. We finna check this out right now. Anthrax, Public Enemy, man. Let's get it. I love bro. Oh Lord, I know this. I know this about to be lit. You know why? They got my boy Flavor Flav hyping it up, bro. I feel like I'm the Flavor Flav on YouTube. That's tough. I gotta put my grills in and get me a clock, man. That's tough right there, man. You know this finna be lit. Cause they got the metal group. They got Anthrax going crazy on the drums with the guitar. Flavor Flav, yeah, boy. Yo, that's tough.
How low can you go? Death row? What a brother know what?
Oh, hell, bro, this been on Grand Theft Auto, Tony Hawk Pro Skater, everywhere. I done heard, bro, hell yeah, man. This right here is classic. Come on, man.
How low can you go? Death row? What a brother know. Once again, back is the incredible rhyme animal, the uncannibal Public Enemy #1. 5 said freeze, and I got numb. Can I tell him never had a gun, but it's the wax that the Terminator X1. They got me in a cell, cause my records they sell, cause a brother like me said, well, Farrakhan's a prophet, and I think you
Do y'all hear that? That, bro, come on, man. That go in so perfectly with their flow. Look at this. Listen to that guitar.
I tell him never had a gun, but it's the wax that the Terminator X1. Yeah, they got me in a cell, cause my records they sell, cause a brother like me said, well, Farrakhan's a prophet, and I think you ought to listen to what he can say to you. What you ought to do is follow for now. Power the people say, make a miracle. I'm the lyrical, black is back, all in, we're gonna win, check it out. Yeah, yo, come on. Here we go again.
Oh, that, bro, come on, man. Turn it off!
Never batted and back, cause the brother is madder than mad at the fact it's corrupt like a senator. Soul on the road, but you treat it like soap on a rope, cause the beats and the lines are so dope.
Come on, bro. Yo, as a music lover, man, bro, this it don't get no better than this right here, man. As a music lover, bro, if you love rap, hip hop, metal, bro, if you love that, you gotta love this song right here, bro. You got to, man. Did y'all see how live the video got on the chorus? When the metal group, when Anthrax came in? Did y'all see how lit the song got? That's tough, man. Then they got Flavor in this, man. Chuck D. Come on. This is perfect right here.
Cause the beats and the lines are so dope. Listen for lessons I'm saying inside music that the critics are blasting me for. They'll never care for the brothers and sisters why across the country has a soap for the war. I have to get them straight. Come on now, they're gonna have to wait till we get it right. Radio stations like question their blackness, they call us a black, but we'll see if they'll play this.
Bring the noise! Ooh! Hold on! Who's scratching over there?
Bring the noise! Get from in front of me. The crowd runs to me. My DJ is warm. He's X. I call him Norm, you know.
Oh Lord, he can rap. I don't know nothing about Anthrax. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, y'all. But who is my guy right here rapping? Do you see the confidence he have? Let me find out he got some bars over here, man. I'm trying to see what time it is on Flavor Flav Clock. That's what I'm trying
The crowd runs to me, my DJ is warm, he's X, I call him Norm, you know. He's gonna wreck it from side to side, so with the ride, the glide, to be much safer than a suicide. So control me is the father of your rock and roll music, for what for which and you call a bad man. Making the music, I'm music, but you can't do it, you know. You call them demos, but we ride demos too. What you gonna do? Rap is not afraid of you, beat us for Sonny Bono. Beat us for Yo Bono. Run the MC, for saying the DJ couldn't be a band. Stand on his own feet, get you out your seat. Beat us for Eric.
I noticed he said something about Run DMC. That's tough. That we just talked about that. Come on, my guy is flowing. Now, y'all might be looking at me like I'm crazy, like, bro, you have no idea. But, hey, bro, this my first time hearing these niggas. I didn't know I was listening to them this whole time. I don't know nobody's name or nothing.
Oh, we ride demos too. What you gonna do? Rap is not afraid of you. Beat us for Sonny Bono. Beat us for Yo Bono. Run the MC for saying the DJ couldn't be a band. Stand on his own feet, get you out your seat. Beat us for Eric B and LL as well. Hell, wax is for Anthrax. Still like your rock bell. Universal and will sell. Time for me to exit. Terminator exit. Turn it up. Bring it on.
Turn it up. Yo! Oh! Oh!
From coast to coast, so you stop feeling like a comatose. Stand, my man, the beat's the same when I post those. Rock with some pizzazz, it will last, YOS. Roll with the rock star, you never get accepted as. We got the fifth, we can't investigate. Don't need to wait, get the record straight. Hey, Monty in effect, got flavor, Terminator. Exercise checks, play to get paid. We got to check it out, that on the avenue. A magazine or two is dissing me and dissing you. Yeah, I'm telling you. Yo, I got lights. Yo, Chucky, where are you? Check out this beat. Alright, here we go. Alright.
They got black. This is too much for me, bro. I'm sorry. This is too much for me. My head is gone, bro. What is going on? It's too much perfection in this video. Hold up, man. We got 10 seconds left. Ah, let's go! Man, come on, man. Oh, Lord, see, they ain't even want to stop. Man, come on, man. If that ain't a classic right there, I don't know what the definition of a classic song is, bro. Man, as soon as that started, I was like, man, I heard this everywhere. I had no idea that was metal and hip-hop colliding right there. You learn something new every day. That is why I love doing this, bro. I love doing this. You realize the world is way bigger than what you think it is, bro. Like, we are all closer than we think, man. Music brings everybody together, man. Come on, man. I have no words to say about that, man. That's epic right there. The video was overwhelming, bro. I about lost my... Man, that's crazy. Y'all let me know some more hip-hop and metal or two genres colliding that's classic, man. I love checking out stuff before my time, man. I don't know what year this came out, but Flavor Flav didn't look that old, so well, never mind. But I know I had to be a kid when this came out. Just you could tell by the graphics of the video, this came out way before my time or right when I was born. So y'all let me know some more classic songs to react to. I love the classics. I low-key love reacting to the classics more than the new stuff, to be honest with y'all. Cause this right here, like this is a simple time right here, a lit time right here. Let's get it.